Hello beautiful people, welcome to Glam by Noelle. If you are new here, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing family. The following are tips on wearing sequins properly. 1. Much sequins can change your look from hot to not instantly. If you use too much sparkle, you risk turning your lovely face into a human disco ball, which none of us want to happen. 2. Dress it down with a leather jacket. If you want to turn that sequin cocktail dress into a more casual look for an evening happy hour or function, throw on a fitting leather jacket. 3. Try black dress to sparkle without too much attention. A nice opportunity to try out the sequin look while still having the sensual feel of a little black dress. Instead, go for a black sequin dress. And lastly, find your perfect fit. Everyone can pull off sequins when wearing the proper fit and selecting accessories that will attract attention away from any defects you don't want seen, regardless of their height, weight, or size.